Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a charger lockbox for safe EV cable storage. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, gather all necessary tools and materials for the installation. You will need a charger lockbox, screws, a drill, a level, and a measuring tape. Select a suitable location for the lockbox, ideally close to your EV charging station. Make sure the surface is flat and stable, allowing secure attachment. Using the measuring tape, determine the height at which you want to install the lockbox. Mark the drilling points with a pencil for accurate placement. Next, take your drill and create holes at the marked points. Ensure the holes are deep enough to securely hold the screws. Align the lockbox with the drilled holes. Use the level to ensure the box is straight before proceeding. Insert the screws through the lockbox and into the drilled holes. Tighten the screws to secure the lockbox firmly in place. Now, check that the lockbox opens and closes smoothly. Finally, store your EV cable inside the lockbox for safe and convenient access. Congratulations! Your charger lockbox is now installed. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with secure cable storage. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the lock mechanism for easy access. You're all set to protect your EV cables. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.